Hey everyone, Kevin here with Victory 4x4. In this video, we're going to install our door MOLLE on a 2024 Chevy Colorado ZR2. So we are going to be installing this over on the passenger side. However, the installation is the same, both passenger and driver. The only difference is which side of the panel you install your logo plate on. So with the panel in the correct orientation for this side, we'll slip the logo in on the back, and you'll then need to find the small stainless button heads in your bolt pack. These are number 4 machine screws, I believe. So you'll need a 1/16 Allen to tighten that up. Typically that's just going to be the smallest Allen in your set. And if you don't have one of those on hand, it's a great time to add that to your toolbox. From here, you'll actually use the panel itself as a guide for the 4 mounting hole locations that we have on here. It'll nest in the door pocket here, and you can kind of line it up basically just using the edges of the panel, making sure they look parallel to the lines in the door itself. Now, admittedly, this set has already been installed once on the truck during our R&D process, but essentially what you would do here is take either a sharp point prick punch like I have here and just press that into each location, being cautious not to move the panel while you're doing so, and that'll give you somewhat of a pilot hole, essentially just a little tapered mark to start the coarse thread screws that we use to secure this. Or what I really like to do is just take a very small 1/16 inch drill bit and drill a very small pilot hole at each location. Once you have your holes marked, you will need to find the black coarse thread screws as well as spacers in your bolt pack. There's going to be 2 different lengths of spacers due to the way the door is shaped, but essentially the screw is going to go through the panel with the spacer on the back side and then screw into the door panel on the truck. The shorter spacers are going to go in the 2 back holes here, and the longer 2 are going to go in the front up here, where when you're working on your truck, you'll see there's a little bit of a recess there to account for those. At that point, you'll just need a Phillips driver. I have mine on the impact here. You could do it just as easily with a Phillips screwdriver in your hand and start these into the plastic relatively easily. Typically hanging it on the top 2 screws with spacers in and then reaching in underneath to install the bottom 2 is kind of the easiest method there. And once you get all 4 of those started, you can simply tighten them up with your Phillips driver. So with that information, you can now repeat that process over on the other side to complete your install. As always, if you guys have any questions about this install or anything else we offer here at Victory 4x4, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always send us an email at info@victory4x4.com or call us at 269-459-8447.